Today we're going to go over how to edit a claim as opposed to making a new copy for the claim. From your claim list, select the claim you want to edit. When you highlight the claim, you'll see an option up above that says Edit next to New Copy. If you right-click on this claim once it's highlighted, you'll also see the options here. Select Edit. The mode you'll see up above is Edit, letting you know that this claim is in edit mode to make any changes you want. If you put the birthday in incorrectly, insurance is incorrect, codes, anything that may be wrong with this claim you can correct here if you got a rejection on it, and then save it and resubmit it. What I'm actually doing with this claim is I'm going to add a new date of service. I've got my dates in. I've got a procedure code library filled out with some of my codes. I can just double click, pull the code over, populates with my code and my amount I've assigned to that code. For the MPI for the rendering provider, I have that loaded in my library as well. Pull it over and it populates. We will do another video to show you how to load your tables as well at a later date. So once the claim is all changed the way I want it, if you're ready to go ahead and submit it, you can either print it out or just save it to your list to be able to print or batch afterwards.